HTML అయితే we don't have any option. And we have some size option. We have some max length, something, sir. Those all are doesn't work, sir. The time wasting process only. Should write the code compulsory. That attributes no chance. I searched already Google, sir. Google showing some use this attribute, sir. One attribute also doesn't work. But Google saying so many things. We can use the max length attribute. We can use the size attribute. We can use the max attribute also. 100% doesn't work, sir. But why Google showing, sir? You asked her, showing her. Simple thing. Google and what it is doing, just collecting the information already available in the internet and showing to you. That's correct or not? Google is responsible. No, you have to analyze that one all. DTD not required to upload the documents. Sir, last year when I go for Tirumala online booking, so I uploaded documents, sir. Marchada. How many persons are going? Every person ID proof compulsory. Aadhaar card, PAN card, what PAN card is there? Driving license, water ID, Aadhaar card, ration card compulsory. 10 persons traveling, 10 persons ID is compulsory. 300 rupees ticket, 500 rupees ticket, confirm. 500 rupees ticket also there. Special darshan. VIP break darshan. 500 rupees ticket. Outside not selling, internally we have to choose, select that one. Website says 50 rupees, 300 rupees. 50 rupees maybe not available, 300 is compulsory. Last year I did proof uploading compulsory. Okay. If I want to set the size, what to do, sir? Some JavaScript is required, I already said. Just if you want to see, I'll show it, but we are unable to understand. We don't know what is JavaScript together. Understanding no chance, sir. Just to observation possible. So for this third file control, I am writing. What are the resume you are going to uploading? The resume size I am going to setting, suppose. So for that we started a small script here. So this is the small JavaScript. I'm explaining just overall meaning of that one, not detailing. First what I'm creating, I'm doing, sir, here, this first line. I want to check the size of this file. What are the file user uploaded, trying to upload? A file size I want to calculate. So we have to create an object for this text box, and that is 3. The ID I'm using, sir, is JavaScript fully depending on IDs. So this line creating an object for this input tag. Object ready. After that, we are implementing a small event handling on that one. What is that event handling, sir? On change. On click we know already. Some example I already showed event attributes on click. Like that, this is the on change. What is meaning of on change, sir? Whenever user changes the file selection, whenever change in the name of the file or selection of the file, this event is going to executing every time. In this event, what happening, sir? I'm just identifying the size of the file, and the size of the file is below something, accept that one. Otherwise, show the error message and delete that file. Show the error message and delete the file. That is what I'm trying to do here. So where is the logic, sir? Here I'm writing the logic. Which file user selected? Calculate the size of the file by using some predefined properties. All predefined, only that one. The blue color part, it returns the size of your selected file. Now if that size is above the some so and so, show the error message to user, file is too big, and delete that file. Then this statement is deleting of that file. You selected either from the selection list, that file eliminated. Then close the last one. If it is proper size, sir, no nothing, sir, silent it setting, no error messages. But what is the size we have to write, sir? Oh, 5 MB, I want to accept it, sir, 5 MB. Can I write the 5 MB, sir? Not acceptable. Because size must be in terms of bytes only. If you want to check a 1 GB also, that 1 GB should convert into bytes compulsory. A bytes only accept. Any size must be measured in terms of bytes only. But now I want to accept to 10 MB. Oh, can I 10 MB? No, 1 MB, yeah? Huh? 10 MB. So I want to accept the size of the file 10 MB, sir. So 10 MB, how many bytes? Small general knowledge question. 1 kilometer, how many centimeters?
100.
Huh?
1000.
Centimeters. Sure, huh? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 centimeters. Huh? 1 lakh.
1 lakh centimeters.
1 lakh centimeters. Huh? Mass baga strong అనుకుంటా. 1 kilometer, how many feet? What I asked? How many centimeters? Sir, 1000 meters equals to 1 kilometer, sir. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 100 into 1000. 1 lakh centimeters equivalents to 1 kilometer. 1000, huh? But like that, 10 MB equals to how many bytes? Rough, exact no, at least rough figure, around. Huh? 10,000. Sure, huh? 10 lakhs start to some. Lakhs lo coming, not thousands. Answer should be in lakhs. 1 MB equals to 1024 kilobytes. 10 MB into 1000, 10,000 kilobytes. 1 kilobyte equals to 1000 bytes. So 10,000 into 1000. How much? 10,000 into 1000. More than 10 lakhs bytes it will comes. Kilobytes is the 10,024 hours, 240 hours. 1 crore. So 10 MB. This is the answer. So 10,000 into 1000 I said kada, multiplied if you get the exact figure like that. So 1 crore 4 lakhs 85,760 bytes. These all are bytes. Write that one here. No commas. System accepting bytes only, sir, compulsory. If you write anything, it's no use. So 10 MB. So your file size is more than 10 MB, you will get the message. We'll check it. Only third text box we designed, not first and second one. Choose the 1 MB sir file size, open, no problem. 10 MB you have chance. Again choose just 60 KB, no problem. Next choose 20 KB, no problem. Last one error comes because size is 36 MB. The PDF file is there, the size 36, but our limit 10 MB. You get immediately message. So file size is too big, and what you selected, that is deleting also. So the file size limit settings, HTML options we don't have, compulsory JavaScript required like this. Next, with this explanation, a small comma for the input tag. Another 2 more tags are come, sir. In future, I explain that one. So we are moving to some other tags and other controls. Still input controls. Still we are discussing with data entry controls by the users, but tag is not this one. Different tags are available. See that the first one is text area. The first tag is text area. So what is this text area, sir? It looks like as a text box only. We know very well text boxes. Text box to text area, only one difference, sir. Text box allows to type the thousands of characters. Text area also allows to type the thousands of characters. But text box, so can you type more than one line? In text box is more than one line possible. Doubtfully say. Somebody who knows that reaction అది తెలుగులో బాగుంటుంది. ఎవరు తెలుసు బ్రహ్మానంద స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ రియాక్షన్ అనమాట. ఎవరు తెలుసు ఏం సార్, సో మెనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ we use text boxes కదా. Even last session application also we use a text box. Enter a full name. In the text box we can type data only in one line. But I want to type the data in more than one line, sir. Some scenarios required. Possibilities there are this control giving that information. So text area control supports to type the data in multi lines, more than one line. How many lines are your interest, your wish, or program demanding? 10 lines, 20 lines, 100 lines, 1000 lines also we can type it. But 1000 lines space not available, yes, sir. Whenever the lines are increasing, automatically scroll bars are activated. Example, the WhatsApp chat box. A box available when you are typing. How many lines we can see at a time? How many lines we can see at a time in typing box? Single line. Huh? 10 lines at a time. Daily we are using WhatsApp. Daily we are using WhatsApp. Huh? Less than 10. More than one అని చెప్పండి మేడం. More than one. More than one, sir. Universal answer. You can type any number of lines, sir. 30, 40 lines also we can type it. Sometimes you are getting forward messages, kada, so many big aware. But my question is, at a time, how many we can see in that while typing box? 5 lines, 6 lines. Next time while typing, observe. 11 incher and yes, 6 lines correct answer. 6 lines up to you are not getting anything. After 6 lines you are using enter key or next one, then scroll bar activated. In balance lines, scrolling. So up to 6 lines clear viewability available. 6 lines after automatically scroll bar activated, you can type 60 lines also, no problem. My WhatsApp working like that. Your WhatsApp also. Mar answer available. Not in chance. A WhatsApp your typing box is text area 1. A text area in that box. Then only it is allowing the multiple lines. So the special is multi-line text box or text field. That is nothing but a text area. Rest of information common, sir. Except that single point, rest of all are same as to your normal text boxes. Thousands of characters we can type, any type of data we can type it, everything is common. Only the multiple lines is the specialization, that's all. And how to create this multi-line text box, sir? By using this tag, text area tag. And the behavior of the tag, sir, it's a paired tag and inline tag. It is a paired as well as the inline tag. And what is this 2 by 20, sir? The initial size of that one. And I just asked a text box in WhatsApp 6 lines you said together. Your HTML text box initially with 2 lines are created. At a time we can see 2 lines, but you can type 200 lines also. Whenever the third line is comes, flow starts. At a time viewability is 2 lines, but 2 lines nothing else. We can change the size. The default size, sir, I clearly mentioned. The original size is this one. When you don't like this one, you can just go for customization option. And this is the tag uses syntax. Text area followed by some attributes and text area close. And where we are using these text boxes are multi-line text boxes we never seen in our website, sir. You saw, sir, but you remember not have no idea for. You already given some real-time scenarios, see that one. Comments, address, feedback, delivery instructions, food preparation instructions. That all the cases we are using multi-line text box and text area. Never use it. You purchase some product in Flipkart or Amazon, right? You doesn't like the product. You want to give the review, feedback. If you go for my orders, a product available. If you select that one, rating, review. If you select the 1 or 2 ratings, why you are not liking the product, what one box available. In that box, you can type your feeling. How many lines you are typing? 1 line, No, multiple lines we are typing. Next, feedback, comments also. Or sometimes address, a person address, addresses 2 situations available. Some websites addresses 4 or 5 text boxes they are using. Flat name, 1 box. Street name, area name, 1 box. Landmark, 1 box. Pin code, 1 box. City, 1 box. Some websites all in the single box. For complete address, a single line how we can type? Complete address in single line, how we can type it, sir? No, kada. Compulsory multiple lines. So there also you are using the text area one. And next one, if you place any food order in Swiggy or Zomato, while placing of the food, can you give some suggestions to chef or not? You placed some order in Zomato or Swiggy, sir, or something. How to prepare the suggestion we can give to chef or not? A hotel or managers or restaurant, 100% we can give. A bottom box is there, but we are not observing matter there. If you are expecting the food in a specific manner, go to down. There a big text box is available. There you can write how you are expecting the text food. You can write some small sentence. I need crispy. I need crunchy. I need saucy. I need hot. I need chili. You can write like that. In the real life also happening, sir. Early morning, if you are going to taking breakfast or tiffin, so observe your restaurant, your surrounding. Baya one plain dosa, full roast. One person ordering like that. Not observe the tiffin stalls. One person baya one plain dosa, full oil. Everybody they are saying their personal requirement. If you are not given any instruction, what happens, sir? A person preparing in their own style. So Swiggy providing that option. Maybe you are not utilized and matter. Next time utilize that feature. That is also text area only. That is instructions, food preparation, instructions. So like that, the different cases we are using this text area. Now see the example. Real-time scenarios I am going to write in here. Some feedback. Reviews or feedback about the product or service or place. If you visited any place, some tourist spot, amusement park, next day no, on day night Google asking review, asking confirmly. If you went to any shopping mall or something, at the end of the day we'll get the notification. Provide the review about this place. Google asking daily, but GPS location you have to switch off. If you switch off that one, it's not asking because where you are going, Google doesn't know. A location available now options. So if you on that location, sir, where you are going, Google trapping. You are thinking, why so? I'm secretly going to somewhere nobody is observing, but Google observing. Uparwala. If you give the mobile, once if you go for Google Maps history, last 2 years, which day, which time, where you go, complete history available. Technically, a mobile operation awareness available people, they can easily trace your chat, not chatting, your traveling history. Last 2 years they can take it. So and so day, so and so time, you went to this location. And clearly Google recording that all the things are actually security labs. That's why I'm always switching on that off that location console. Our personal details they are knowing. అవసరమైనప్పుడు ఆన్ చేసి అవసరమైనప్పుడు ఆన్ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే యాక్చువల్లీ గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్ ఆన్ చేయకపోయినా వితౌట్ ఆనింగ్ ద లొకేషన్ హిస్టరీ ఆల్సో nowadays we have the technology to trace the mobiles, latest technologies, latest operating systems, we have that option. అదే లొకేషన్ నాట్ కంపల్సరీ అనమాట. ఓల్డ్ మొబైల్స్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ అది. ఈ హై ఎండ్ మొబైల్స్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ మ్యాండేటరీ. నా మొబైల్ అది మ్యాండేటరీ కాదు. Where the plus available, there the minus also available, sir. Simple formula. How much technology is growing, sir, that much of privacy is also going out. Simple thing. So I'm going to creating a small text area here. Just close the text area. ID's names under your choice are in. So I need text area 1
వ్యాపారంలో
and need text area 1. Simple thing.
వ్యక్తిగతంగా కూడా దానికి
We'll get a small text box with the default size 2 rows and 20 columns.
అది మా
2 rows and 20 columns. Small box. You can type the data.
దానితో కలిసి
Where is second line, sir? Continue. We'll get the line. Third line, sir. Continue. Automatically data is going to scrolling. Right side already scroll bars are activated. See that one. At a time, how many lines? 2 lines. Like that in WhatsApp, 6 lines possible. Rest of lines scrolling is available. The default size. But the size I don't like, sir.
అందరికీ పరమేశ్వరుడు దేవుడంటే బండ గణేషుడు మాత్రం
పొద్దున్న పిల్లలకి 3 వీటికి వెళ్తామన్నా అన్న స్పీక్ రెడీ చేసివా
A box size I don't want, sir. You can increase, sir. I'm taking best example address. Address 2 lines visibility at a time is not comfortable view. So I'm writing TA2, TA2. How to increase the size, sir? Rows, columns. Horizontally is rows, vertically is columns. Number of lines rows, sir. Number of characters columns. Grid format. Now the grid. On a graph sheet grid to the same type. So how many rows you require, sir? 5 rows are required. How many columns you require, sir? Or 25 columns required. So 5 by 25 size text box is created. 5 by 25 size text box is created. You can type 5 lines, sir. Some flat number 420. Air apartments. Next, Yamaburi colony. Near Yamaloko. Kailas. Pin code 00000. So this is address. 5 lines. If I have to include something, sir, a scroll bar activated. But we given 5 lines, sir. 5 lines viewable, not limited. You can type the enter key, scroll bar is activated automatically. So this is the scroll bar. Next. So food instructions. I'm asking food instructions like a Zomato and a Swiggy. So TA3, name also TA3, and rows 3 rows, columns 100. A very big size text box is comes up. A big size text box is comes like. Why you created that much, sir? Originally in Swiggy we have the same size text box. In original Swiggy the same box is available. That's I created. So aram se can type here. 3 lines. After that scroll bar is activated automatically. Right? Next one, sir. But if you allow like this food preparation instructions, sir, somebody they are not utilizing this option because they don't know like this. Somebody they are utilizing, writing, Bhaiya, I need dosa full roasted. Okay, no problem. And then boys say the little bit instruction is given. Bhaiya like that, Bhaiya like that. Ladies aware. Not like that. How to cut it also they are explaining on matter. A joke. Just kidding only. So only not roasted. A preparation style onwards, how to clean it, how to cutting also total procedure they are writing. Chef going to suicide. Very generally. And they are experts, sir. They are good expressing their total feeling. chef preparation person, food master getting problem. Because Zomato, Swiggy, cleverly they are thinking, setting the limit 250 characters only. Observe that? Our text areas, top or bottom, we have the message. Max number of characters 250. Our max characters 300 only. Limit available and clearly displaying on the screen also. Not observed, huh? You're bad, right? So I want to set the type of limit, sir. Further, we have the max length option. We have some max length option. What is 250 characters only. A limit not available, katam anamata. Compulsory limit required, sir. Box size same, 3 by 100, but data 250 characters only allowed. When all the 250 characters you reach it, sir, automatically keyboard stopping the functioning. Over. 250 over, exactly 2.5 lines. And I think the 100, 150, 250 characters. Next, in 3 text boxes, if you observe carefully, bottom right corner, you found anything? Especially 2 lines available, observed. Bottom right corner.
I don't know.
What is that, sir? That actually HTML5 feature. Drag and drop on. The developer designed their own size, but as a user, I don't like that size, sir. You can change to your own size. Customization possible. You can just go for drag and drop of that box, sir.
సింక్ దగ్గర
Any big size you can take. Start from here in your interest. On a Gmail composing available kada, mail composing. That also text area name. But there we can insert the pictures also, sir. Here also you can insert pictures. Your keyboard is supported. You can go for pictures. Who said? Pictures also you can insert. Smileys also you can insert. Madams also you can insert. Cakes, burgers, pizzas, chicken lollipop, drumstick. All these pictures also you can insert. Data line, your keyboard is supported, you can type the special symbols also like this, no problem. So this is some of the cases useful tag, multi-line text box, text area. Next tag was select tag, sir. This is also one of the mostly used tag. So what is this select tag, sir? Drop down menu, sir. Also called as combo boxes. When you click here, one chart is comes. In that chart, list of colleges, list of states, list of districts, list of hospitals, list of courses available, the list of branches. Online application never applied. Nowadays everything online, sir. When you are applying something in online, one drop down box comes. Situations, select the state, select the district, select the college, select the branch, select the course, select the hospital. Like that. All that is called as drop down control. That control we can create by using the select tag. Application forms drop down control very famous, sir. In application forms drop down control is very famous. Even Monster Naukri also you have to select your branch kada, the drop down, and you have to select your university college also. That is also drop down only. List of colleges comes, list of universities comes, list of branches also comes. So how to create this drop down combo box, sir? By using the special tag select tag. Select tag purpose is that one. I'll show once the drop down box, sir, because some faces question mark faces. Monster will go. The monster. Mobile number STD code is there in the drop down control, yes, sir. You have to select your country name in the drop down. This is almost all countries are available here. So Australia, enter your Australia mobile number. Next comes down total experience. This is also drop down control. Fresher, 0 year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 3 years experience. How many months? This is also drop down control. 12 months or 11 months available. No, no. 11 months. So 4 months over. Next come down. Preferred industry. Which type of industry you are expecting the job? Idea, banking, alternate energy, automotives, airlines, airlines. Next, what is the preferred department or function? In that area, which type of jobs you are expecting? Administrative services, analysis, banking, insurance, advertising, advertising. By the selected tag. This is